Hello, today I'm going to show you how I pipe a large daisy. First, the tips I'm using is the 103. It's a small petal tip. It's got a large opening and a small opening, so there's your large end and your small end. I'm also using a number 4, which is a small round nozzle, and I'm using an R. I've got one here. R18L. It's a very large round nozzle. The colours I've used for this mustardy colour, I've mixed Progel yellow and I've mixed a Sugarflair gooseberry to get this mustardy colour. And I've used for the white this Ingenious edibles. I'll link all these in the description box below anyway. Right, to start with, now I'd like to find the centre, so I'm using one of these Russian nozzles just to make a indentation in the centre, like so. Let's pop them to the side a second. So we take our 103, we tighten the bag. Oh, excuse me, I've got dye all over my hands. Right, so what we're going to do is apply light pressure, and we're just going to go up and down. So it's basically an up and down movement all the way around that indentation of the circle that you've just done, right to the end of the cupcake, back down again. Light pressure, up, down. It's quite warm here today, so my buttercream's gone very warm. Up, down, up, down. Right, I just need to stop, wipe the end of my nozzle. I always have something on hand to wipe your nozzle. Tighten your bag. And we'll start again. So we're just doing up, down movements all the way around. Up, down, up, down. This is a large daisy. Just carry on doing that all the way until you get to the meter of the petal on the other side. Down, down. Up, down. It's a bit ruggedy. Oh, obviously I flat ice the cupcake as well, and I'm also piping onto a frozen cupcake, which is the best to do. Now we're going to go on top of these petals. Now my buttercream has gone really soft. And my hands are quite slippy. Just wipe that. So now we want to bring this angled up a little bit more. So we're going up and we're just going over these petals again. So it's an up-down movement all the way around. Just up and down. All the way around until you get to the... We've slightly angled it up a little bit more so the petal looks like it's lifted. I always start with fat end is down towards the cupcake. The thin end's to the top. As you can see, my buttercream is so soft. I'm applying hardly any pressure. That's because of the heat. It's quite warm here in the UK at the moment. I suppose we'll be back to rain on Monday again. Never mind. Up and down movements. So there you've got all your petals. That's it. So now we're going to take I keep forgetting what it is. Have to excuse me. It's an R18L. This round large nozzle. Now this is going to make the centre, so we just plonk that in the middle. We just gently squeeze and pull off. Doesn't matter if you've got a little dome. Daisies are quite domed. Just tap that down. And we're going to take our number 4 with the mustardy colour in, and we're going to pipe just tiny little dots all the way around. It just fills up the little gaps in any way. Let's carry on right round. It's best if you have your cupcake on the table to do this, because then you can stabilise your piping tip a bit better. Yes, to achieve this mustard colour, I mixed the yellow and some of the Sugarflair Gooseberry, and it brought out this mustard colour, which is a lot better because you don't want it bright yellow. You want to make it look quite natural. Just carry on round. And just filling it all in really with these like tiny little dots. So you've got your daisy. I mean, a lot of people use different piping tips. Some people use the actual GG cake craft tip, but I don't think it's necessary to purchase all these fancy tips when you can achieve the same result with just the ordinary ones that you've got. So that's all nicely filled in now. Put one there and one there, and there you go. And there you have your daisy. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell. If you want to leave any comments, feel free to do so in the comment box. If there's any flowers that you'd like to see me piping, please drop a comment in there. Thank you for watching. Bye.